as people have walked the earth, they've wondered how to fly. We have spent more than a decade crafting tools for dreamers. Now, we're going one step beyond with an immersive experience unlike anything else. Introducing DJI FPV. The world's first ready-to-fly FPV drone that lets users of any skill level feel the thrill of immersive flight. We've also revolutionized the FPV experience by creating the DJI Motion Controller, a compact device that enables ultra-intuitive flight based purely on hand motions. With the standard remote controller, 3 distinct flight modes offer multiple options for anyone to fly FPV. Start with N mode for an immersive experience with traditional flight controls. S mode simplifies FPV controls for an exciting hybrid flight. Activate M mode to unlock unlimited flight controls. Now the only boundaries are your skills and imagination. No matter which controller or flight mode you're using, enable emergency brake and hover with one tap to stop and hover in place. The Return to Home button will bring the drone back automatically to its starting location and land it safely. DJI O3 transmission system delivers crystal clear, hyper-immersive image quality with ultra-low latency. DJI FPV also features a robust modular design. The fully integrated camera records every breathtaking move in crisp detail, putting you right in the middle of the scene, thanks to a super wide 150-degree FOV. Footage stays super smooth thanks to integrated rock-steady technology. This is DJI FPV.
At DJI, True innovation is seeing the bigger picture. Every iteration is the culmination of all that we do to bring you the very best. Here's everything you've been waiting for and beyond. This is Mavic 2. The aircraft comes in two new editions, Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. Both cameras utilize DJI's latest 3-axis gimbal technology, ensuring smooth, stable footage in any situation. Mavic 2 Pro commands a powerful 1-inch sensor, offering you greater image quality with superior light and color performance. Co-engineered with Hasselblad, the new camera houses an adjustable aperture lens for more control over your lighting environment. Capture stunning aerial photos at 20 megapixels with extreme detail. Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit D-Log-M color profile that yields higher dynamic range for more flexibility in the grading room. Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspective. With a 2x optical zoom lens, it offers greater safety, efficiency, and more creative opportunities. The 48mm focal length compresses your perspective, enhancing the parallax effect for a classic cinematic look. You're able to punch in quickly for a tighter shot, even from 100 meters away, keeping a safe distance from your subject. Don't be fooled by its size. Mavic 2's zoom lens is powerful, constantly adjusting to your commands for seamless zoom control and autofocus tracking. This keeps your subject clear while you focus on framing. Mavic 2 Zoom gives you access to dolly zoom for an otherworldly warped perspective. Both editions record 4K video with an advanced H.265 compression, so your images retain even more detail. Speed things up in a dynamic aerial hyperlapse with the simple tap of a button. 4 different modes give you a variety of shots for any time-lapse situation. Mavic 2 also supports enhanced HDR photo, an improved technique that blends a sequence of photos for greater dynamic range and image clarity. It wouldn't be a Mavic if it couldn't go with you anywhere, anytime. We kept that same foldable design and tweaked a few things that make a world of difference. After countless hours of research and testing, Mavic 2's refined chassis and low-noise propellers make it DJI's most advanced aerodynamic aircraft to date. These subtle yet powerful improvements give you a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion when the situation requires. Mavic 2 extends your creative potential with up to 31 minutes of flight time and a max speed of 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode. The all-new OcuSync 2.0 provides a 1080p transmission signal up to 8 kilometers, so you can edit full HD footage directly from the cache on your mobile device. 2.4 to 5.8 GHz auto switching offers better performance in environments with busy signal interference. For the first time in a DJI drone, Mavic 2 boasts obstacle sensors on all sides of the aircraft. Its digital nervous system continually transmits data to a new, more powerful central processor. The aircraft analyzes every inch of its surroundings to move around obstacles without stopping, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. When you have a need for tracking at high speeds, stay fully immersed in the action with ActiveTrack 2.0. Aided by its vision systems, Mavic 2 maps a 3D view of the environment for greater accuracy in tracking up to 72 kilometers per hour. Trajectory prediction algorithms also help to maintain course when your subject is blocked by an obstruction. DJI goggles users can enjoy an enhanced experience with a clearer video feed and lower latency. When it comes to portability or quality, small details or the big picture, your vision or reality, Mavic 2 brings the best of both worlds. So you can explore the outer reaches of your imagination and create content that truly feels out of this world.
Join us as we explore some of the most exciting features of DJI Mavic 3. 3 features a stunning Hasselblad camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor. Having such a large sensor on a drone of this size is an absolute novelty. Compared to smaller sized sensors, it lets you capture images at higher dynamic range and better low-light performance. The 5.1K video resolution gives you incredible details and provides plenty of room for resizing and reframing in post. Mavic 3 delivers epic slow-motion shots with up to 120 frames per second in 4K. To get the most out of your footage, Mavic 3 Cine uses the Apple ProRes 422 HQ codec, which is the industry standard for high-quality video. Together with the 10-bit color depth and D-Log image profile, it opens up a professional level of editing flexibility. Mavic 3 Cine makes sure you don't run out of storage by integrating a massive 1 terabyte SSD drive directly into the drone. If you prefer professional-looking results without post-processing, the Hasselblad Natural Color solution provides incredibly rich and accurate colors straight from the camera. But Mavic 3 doesn't just have one camera. Explore mode unlocks an additional half-inch sensor telecamera for up to 28 times zoom. With the attachable wide-angle lens, you're finally able to shoot still images and video at an impressive 15.5 millimeters. The new DJI RC Pro controller offers a more precise and convenient control experience, along with a crisp, ultra-bright display. To perfectly frame your shots, reliable video transmission is crucial. The O3 Plus video transmission makes sure your connection stays smooth, even over long distances or in complex environments. Mavic 3 stays in the air for up to 46 minutes, so you don't have to worry about missing the perfect shot anymore because of low battery. Multiple visual sensors enable accurate recognition of objects omnidirectionally. That means Mavic 3 can automatically sense and avoid obstacles during flight, even when moving sideways and backwards. This also allows ActiveTrack 5.0 to be more advanced than ever before, providing safe and reliable tracking even of fast-moving subjects in complex environments. It also enables Mavic 3's advanced return-to-home function, as it combines these sensory capabilities with real-time data to intelligently plan and fly an optimum route back to the home point. The Master Shots function automates complex aerial movements and allows anyone to get professional-looking shots. With its powerful camera performance, intelligent safety features, and some of our most advanced flight technologies ever, the new DJI Mavic 3 is a must-have for professional content creators. This is imaging above everything. This is DJI Mavic 3.